Yo, this is Dimension. Today, we're looking at my Discord server's suggestions. What? What the hell is wrong with you guys? This is all that I see. And why was there so many? What the hell? This goes long for a good minute. What the hell? You know what's worst of all? It's this one thing that just happened today. It's bald dementia. Who made this? Who the hell made bald dementia? What the fuck? But anyways, bye for now, peoples.